In this video, we'll learn about a small but very useful SwiftUI modifier called FixedSize. It's the secret to fixing layout problems when your text or views don't have enough space and start getting squashed. Let's create a simple example. I have a few words inside an H stack. Right now, everything looks normal. All the words are visible, and there's no problem yet. Now, let's create the problem on purpose. I'll add some horizontal padding to make the space smaller. As you can see now, there isn't enough space for all the words. Some of them are getting compressed and broken into multiple lines. The problem is that SwiftUI is trying to force everything into the small space we gave it. It doesn't know that we want the words to keep their natural size. And that's where FixedSize comes to the rescue. By adding FixedSize, we're telling SwiftUI, don't squash this view. Let it stay at its natural size. Now the words won't get compressed anymore. They will keep their proper shape, even if the space is small. And one extra thing you should know, FixedSize also allows you to control it separately for horizontal or vertical. Here, we're saying, you can shrink me horizontally if needed, but never shrink me vertically. But for most simple layouts, just using FixedSize alone is enough.